In a world where nature's fiercest collide, a wolf pack stands united. Across the valley, a mountain lion, regal and powerful, prepares for battle. Tension fills the air as both sides size each other up. Who will emerge victorious in this epic showdown? The battle begins with a thunderous growl. Claws and teeth clash in a flurry of movement. Each side fights with unmatched ferocity and skill. The landscape echoes with the sounds of their struggle. As the dust settles, both sides show signs of wear. Who will claim the title of the ultimate predator? Nature's balance hangs in the balance. In the end, respect may be the true victor.